Namaskar, I am Vivek Vyas, working as Assistant Professor at IABM SKRU Bikaner. Today we are going to discuss about how to prepare our own website. As in the present era, this is really important that we have a digital approach and digital access to our target base as well as with whom we are going to connect. It has to be very clear from our digital sources also. So how we prepare our website is very important area. Let us start. First of all, we should know what do we mean by website. Website is, as per noun, it is called as website. At plural, it is called websites. It is a set of related web pages located under a single domain name. So there are two questions arise in your mind. Number one, what are web pages? And number two, what is domain name? We'll discuss about this. Second definition said, a website is a collection of web pages and related content that is identified by a common domain name and published on at least one web server. Notable examples are like wikipedia.org, google.com and amazon.com. So all publicly accessible websites collectively constitute the World Wide Web. So we can see this definition from Wikipedia. Now let us focus on the term web pages. What are web pages? A hypertext document connected to the World Wide Web. Hypertext means which is connected to the internet across the globe. If we discuss about the domain name, a domain name is your website name. A domain name is the address where internet users can access your website. A domain name is used for finding and identifying computers on the internet. Computers use IP addresses which are a series of numbers. However, it is difficult for a human to remember strings of numbers. Because of this, domain name were developed to identify on internet rather than using IP addresses. So domain name we can see like .com, .net, .gov.in, .edu. So these all are called domain names. Hypertext. Hypertext is displayed on a computer display or other electronic devices with reference to other text that the reader can immediately access. Hypertext documents are interconnected by hyperlinks. As we all know, hyperlinks give us an option to connect the one document on net or digital sources to others. For example, on website, if we select one document and make a control key option, so we give hyperlink to other, maybe website, maybe other document, maybe other sources. This is called hyperlink. So typically activated by mouse click, key press set or touching the screen. Now, World Wide Web is very commonly known as web. It is information system where document and other web resources are identified. URL, that is called Uniform Resource Locator. We can see the example here. So within website we have the above line, the source line from where we will start any website is called URL line, which may be interlinked by hypertext and are accessible over internet. The resource of World Wide Web are transferred via HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. These are nothing but the regulation to provide the documentation transmission regulatory framework across the web and may be accessed by a user by a software application called web browser. So web browser, as we all know, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, there are so many web browsers are there. So these all and are published by a software application called web server. So this is how World Wide Web, hypertext, domain name, web pages and website are connected. Now if we want to start to prepare our website, there are some free website builders available. The very famous is WordPress, there is Webly, there is WebNode, then Zimdo, Uncraft and Webflow. You can see on some tutorial on this on the link given in this slide. So if we discuss about which we should follow or which is the best free source to prepare our own website, we can go to this page. This shows 30% of websites are run on WordPress. So we can see the WordPress is one of the most famous free resource to prepare on own website. Then Drupal is there, then Joomla is there. So if we want to start our own website, we can see 36% of web is built on WordPress. So this is one of the most reliable, or we can say one of the most easy user free website available for preparing your own website. So there are different plan. For example, these are the basic plus, choice plus, and pro options are there. But we are going to focus on this lecture about how to prepare a free website. So when we start on the WordPress, it asks you about your email address, then choose your username and your password, then you can create your own account. So for example, I started with it, and because it said it is already there, so I have to start another name. So WordPress.com is the area where we want to start. Then they ask you about your domain name. So within domain name, for example, if I start a website for IIBM alumni, so it suggests me to IIBMalumni.com or IIBMalumni.co. So they provide me our their free their paid versions, but there are options like iabmalumni.wordpress.com. It is free. We'll go with this. When I start with this, so we get this page. So it has given me that your site has been created. So within this creation, we have to update. There are different areas which is there. So we have to start this one. Then after filling the details, we'll get to know about this page. So by the customized area and information feeded by you only in the website portal, you will find that you can prepare your own website. So you can take a practice of this, and let me share with you that there is website available which I developed based on this uh, connected link only. I let me start this thing. As you can see here, I just prepared one IIBM alumni WordPress.com website for by this WordPress.com website. So you can see this website is opening. They'll ask me about my account and all. As you can see, after filling my password, this website has been open. So you can see that there are different sites available with my this website. Let me show you my website which I have created by this. This site I have created by the faculty development program at IIT Bombay. Recently I updated this. You can see this is my home page of the website where it has been discussed. This is my header here. This logo has been created on this website resources. This is title. Then there are pages, web pages like home, about, blog, and contact. So you can prepare your own article and you can upload here. Like recently on April 19th, I have uploaded stay safe and stay healthy during this global epidemic. I also wrote one article on April 18th regarding management education during epidemic. You can go on like that. So this will give you a leverage of this. For example, if you want to discuss about yourself, the second page is the page of this website give you an option that you can describe about yourself. You can attach your CV also here. Then within blog, whatever you write, you can describe here. For example, I have shared my publication here. So there are almost presentation and publication total. I have presented it across the different national and international conferences and publication. So this has been listed here. So you can give a hyperlink to that also. For example, potential of rural marketing in Rajasthan. This has been hyperlinked here. So if you click that, you will automatically go to the PDF page or the actual page of this article. So like that, you can prepare your own website. So this will be very helpful for your uh, target audience, or maybe your related stakeholders, to get more idea about you. So this is like your contact and all details. So similarly, you can add different pages also. For example, if you want to do something, you can go and write the different things, for example blog, and you can add, attach, and similarly you can update your website like this. So this is really a easy. And for example, you want to write an article about Indian post COVID-19. So you can write with your own conviction and your own resources, and when you complete your writing, you can go and you can click schedule. So after scheduling, you will go, your publication get available on your website. So that's how we can start with our preparation of our own website. I hope you get a basic idea how to prepare with your website. So I'll just suggest you to just go and try it out. If you have any doubt, you can contact me anytime. You can write down my email id, or you can get my email id from here. So happy learning. So feel free to ask me anything. You can get this video on YouTube also. Thank you so much.